Hey, how's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Flock communication app. It's an alternative to Slack, HipChat, Rocket Chat, and all of that. So as of now, there's only one official way to install this application, and that is through the Snap Store. In the article that I wrote about this, though, there is a way to get it through the Chrome Store and to make your own web app if you don't use Snaps. So though this is the only official way to get it going, it's not the only way to use it on Linux, so keep that in mind. But in this video, we will be covering the Snap version, as that's the one that they have listed on the website, and that's the one that most people are going to want to set up. So make sure you have Snaps or a Snap supported Linux distribution. Then open up your terminal, and then you can do snap search flock. Now, I always do these searches just because you need to be able to find the package, because it's not just sudo snap install flock. It could be a different package name. As you can see, it's Flock Chat, so we need to know that. So sudo snap install Flock Chat, and enter the password. It's going to download from the stable channel. Give us about a minute, maybe under a minute, to install, and download from the store. So I'll be right back. All right, so once the app is downloaded through the Snap Store, says as I bump my mic here by accident. Once it's installed for the Snap Store, you can just open it with Flock. You can search for it, and it is in beta. It's also in your app menu if you look through internet. But I have a quick launcher, so that's how I launched it. It's going to take a little bit because it's a freshly installed Snap, as you guys might know. But then you can go ahead and create an account or sign in or whatever. We won't be going over the sign up process or anything. I don't use it. There is a free version. It's like Slack, where you can use it for free, and you can also pay to use for more stuff. Something to check out if you've never been happy with Slack. Me, personally, I don't really mind Slack, but Alright, so once it's open, you can see your little app icon, and you can get started. Enter your email ID, log in, or create a team, and you've got the Slack alternative Flock on your computer, on your Linux system, and ready to go. So that is how to set up Flock on Linux. If you were try to understand how to get this done, hope you enjoyed it. If you do not run snaps, do not worry. You can also install it through the Chrome extension and other ways. So please check that out in the description below. I will see you guys in the next video.